It is the morning of Tuesday, November 23rd, 2010. The markets are in trouble. My name is Miguel Vences, a mentor and an analyst here in Grok Trade, and I'm bringing you the morning report. And the markets seem to be in trouble. We have a pretty significant move down in the futures. The Dow futures 0.87%, S&P futures 1.06%, Nasdaq 0.87%. It looks like there are several factors for this move down, but especially these tensions in Korea seem to be aggravating everything else. The GDP, the revision for the third quarter was announced, and it came right at expectations, a little above expectations. Market expected 2.4% increase. We got 2.5% increase. So that was priced in the markets immediately, and we don't really see a whole lot of change in the futures from the time it was announced. And as far as news is concerned, remember that at 10 a.m. New York time, we have existing home sales, and that can also be a market mover, but right now the pressure is to the downside. In the S&P daily, we see where we have been trading, and this is line of resistance is the 1200 mark, but it looks like we really should be more concerned on these lines to the downside, at least for the time being. We'll see how long this down move persists. And here's the chart for the SPY for this past week, and we see where we're currently trading at 118.91, and we're approaching several lines of support, and it looks like those are the ones we need to be aware of. And we start with this line at 118.76, which comes from this unfilled gap from several days ago, so that is definitely a level to be watching over. 118.76, then under that we have an 118.61, 118.45, and to the upside, which we got 119.24, 119.37, 119.63, and this is the action from yesterday. We had a big move to the downside and then came back. By the end of the day, we had a pretty slight move, and today we started with a big gap down. We just kept going down, challenging yesterday's low, so this is a level to keep watching. So this is turning out to be a very volatile Thanksgiving week, which is one more reason to stay close to Grok Trade, where we bring you the best on technical analysis and definitely the best trading education. Stay with us for all your continuing education needs. Safe trading, everyone.